Hi, and thank you for joining me. Today's class is a full body morning yoga flow designed to wake up your body after a long night's sleep. This class is perfect for the busy mornings when you need a gentle yet invigorating start to your day. So let's roll out our mats and let's begin. We'll begin today in a comfortable cross-legged seat in the middle of our mats. Rest your arms on your knees and close your eyes. Take deep breaths in and out through your nose. And really take this time to bring your awareness to your breath, to your body, and present moment. Letting anything that happened before gently melt away. Now blink your eyes open and let's come to our hands and knees to warm up our spine. Let's take some cat-cows. So inhale, arch your spine, open through your chest. And then exhale, round your spine and gaze towards your navel. Inhale, arch through your spine and exhale, round. Just two more. Moving your breath. Inhale and exhale. Return to center. Then tuck your toes under and press back into your first downward facing dog. Keeping a nice bend through your knees and then paddle your heels. Alternate bending one knee at a time as you push the floor away from you and lengthen through your spine. Beautiful, come to stillness. And then next inhale, reach your right leg up to the sky. And exhale and step your right foot in between your arms, releasing your left knee onto the mat. Sink your hips low and open through your heart. Then press your hips back, straighten your right leg, and flex your right foot. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Then exhale, fold over your leg. Focus on drawing your belly button up towards your spine and drawing your shoulders down and back. Then rebend your right knee. Tuck your back toes under, lifting your left knee off the floor. And then as you inhale, reach your right arm up to the sky, opening your chest to your right. Looking up towards your fingertips if that's comfortable for you. Keep reaching through your fingers. Beautiful. Release your arm down and press back to downward facing dog. Taking a deep breath here. Now let's take it to the other side. So inhale, reach left leg high. Exhale, step your foot forward in between your arms. Drop your back knee, sink your hips low, and open through your heart. Now let's straighten our left leg and flex our foot. Inhale, lengthen your spine, and exhale, fold forward. Take deep breaths here as you stretch through the back of your left leg. Then rebend your left knee, tuck your back toes under, lifting your right knee up off the floor. And as you inhale, reach your left arm up to the sky, opening your chest to the left. Taking deep breaths in this beautiful twist. Good. Return your left arm down and press back to downward facing dog. And let's take a couple of spinal waves here. So as you inhale, ripple your spine forward to plank, vertebra by vertebra, and then exhale, bend your knees and press back. And again, as you inhale, ripple forward, exhale as you press back. Let's do 2 more. Inhale and exhale. Last one. Beautiful job. Then bend your knees, lift your gaze, and then step or walk your feet forward. Then heel toe your feet wider than your hip width distance apart, toes slightly outwards, and lower your hips into a Yogi Squat. Bring your hands to prayer, roll your shoulders back, and open through your chest. Really focus on lengthening through your spine and reaching up through the crown of your head. Either stay here or take your left hand to the mat and open your right arm up to the sky. Nice big inhale. And then exhale and take your right arm to the floor and open your left arm up to the sky. One more deep breath in. And then exhale, return to the center. Carefully bring your arms behind you and lower down to your glutes. With your feet hip width distance apart in parallel, take your right arm behind you and on your inhale, lift your hips, lift your heels and reach your right arm back. Then exhale, release and other side. Stretch your left arm over, lift your hips, lift your heels. And exhale, release. One more each side. Inhale, lift. And exhale, release. Last one. Inhale, lift your hips. Maybe arch your spine a little bit more. Lift your heels. Then exhale, release. Beautiful job. Stretch your left leg forward now. Flexing your foot, and then bend your right leg open to the side. Inhale, stretch your arms up, and exhale, hinge forward. Really focusing on straightening your spine here, and folding from the hips, not from the low back. Take an inhale, lift your chest, and exhale, let's switch sides. Extend your right leg, bend your left knee open. And then inhale, reach your arms up. And exhale, fold forward. Focus on folding from your hips and drawing your belly button towards your thigh. Take even breaths here. Nice inhale and exhale. On your next inhale, lift your chest and then release as you exhale. Then bend your knees in front of you, stretch your arms out in front of you, and then slowly lower yourself onto your back using your core strength here. Keep going. A little bit more and release. Good job. Hug your knees to your chest and then release your feet down. Then bring your right knee to your chest and extend your left leg out. Right arm comes out to the side, and then as you exhale, bring your right knee over to your left into this beautiful twist. Gently pressing your right shoulder blades into the mat. One more inhale, and then exhale, return through center, and let's switch sides. Left knee comes to your chest and right leg extends out. Bring your left arm out to your side, And with the help of your right arm, slowly lower your left knee over to the right, gently guiding your left shoulder blade down towards the mat. One more inhale. And as you exhale, return back to the center and hug your knees to your chest. And then coming into our last resting pose, Shavasana, either extending your leg out or reclined butterfly version by bringing the soles of the feet together and letting your knees fall open. Close your eyes and give your body permission now to completely relax and let go. Feeling the gentle inhalation and exhalation as you slowly let go. Feel free to stay here for as long as you like, but if you're ready to finish the practice with me now, start wiggling your fingers and your toes, bringing your knees together, and then your arms over your head for a nice big stretch. And then bend your knees and roll yourself up to seated. Keeping your eyes closed, find a nice long spine. And really take this moment to notice how you feel after this time on our mat today. Then blink your eyes open. And let's finish our class together with one last big inhale. Reach your arms up to the sky. And exhale, lower your hands to your heart. Namaste. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed today's morning yoga flow. I would love to know how this one went for you, so please do leave me a comment before you go. Please subscribe to my channel if you don't already, and hopefully I'll be practicing with you very soon. Thank you again.